This is an urgent message, and I am relating it to you directly. People will take file from one office to the other. When I was younger, they called them messengers. We told them that a time would come when you won't have to move the file. Some people did not listen. The computers came, internet came, and they lost their job. They did not lose their job because computer came or because the internet came. They lost their job because they were not listening to the signs on the ground for them to move. That was the only reason why they lost their jobs. Now, at those times, they carry the files physically from one office to the other. Even if it was a 6-7 story building or a skyscraper, they are moving helter-skelter to carry a bunch of files from one office to the other. Gradually, we had the flash drive. People started moving files on the computer. We had the disk. You can just put it in the flash drive and still take it physically to where you want to use it. Later, we had the intranet, local network connection, where all of you are connected into that network and you can just move those files from one office to the other on your system. And it got to a point you don't even need that. People can use their phone and sell tons and tons and tons of files to another person with their phones. All these are signals. It's a sign of a continuity of work life. But most people did not listen. They stayed where they are and they lost out the opportunity to be in a system that is working right now. If you look at it right now as a millennial or a Gen Z, you will find out that using a system or a phone is peanuts. But as at that time, it wasn't, because some people were not that educated. Right now, it's the moment to make another switch. If you are not using AI now, take it or leave it. You are going to lose out. AI is not here to replace anybody. What I'm here to tell you today is that you must join the AI train. AI is not here to take your job. AI is not here to make you useless. People are panicking. A lot of people have reached out to me and told me that they are afraid because AI will take their job. No. AI is not going to take your job. Whoever is telling you that robots will take over is not telling you the truth. These are my reasons. Reason number one, you have to program a machine to work. That means you give it an information and it gives you an output. It is input and output. No computer, LLM, or generative AI can by themselves do anything. Whatever they are doing, and people are saying sometimes they hallucinate, is because of the information that is passed to them that is not complete. So when you ask them questions, instead of telling you that they don't know the answer, they hallucinate. They tell you things that does not exist. Still, there is human input. What am I saying? What I'm trying to tell you is that you must know that AI will not replace human beings. Never. Because they are gadgets. We have data centers right now. They must be charged. They must be maintained. They must be upgraded. Human beings will do that. No robot or AI can do that. Number two, the best network that will happen is human and AI. How do I mean? Someone is working with AI, fixing their content or their connection between their CRM, WhatsApp, their messaging app, email, and all of that. And I am using something like make.com to connect all of it together and automate. I tell it when this happens, which is a trigger, this is what I expect you to do. When this happens, it's a trigger, this is what I expect you to do. So what we are building right now, we want you to build with us, is human working with AI to make life better. We'll have AI that are running medical diagnostics. Human beings will tell them, this is what we are looking for. This is what we expect you to search. And they will do it. That is exactly what we are talking about. There are AIs that you ask them questions on the research and technology, and they will just give it to you. They have all this information, but AI cannot use it for the benefit of human beings. They just store those data. It's until you tell them that, okay, when we combine this and we put this together, this is what we will get. I created a pitch deck recently for Google. My AI do not know exactly what to do. When I told it to create a pitch deck for Google, I was just trying it. It doesn't know, so it was asking me a lot of information that this, and this. So I went to another AI, got the research together. I did the research. I started giving it the information on these metrics. This is what I need you to do. This data, this is what it's for. And guess what? I got something really good from the AI I was using at that time. Human plus AI is the boom. We are going to be using humans that are going to be AI conscious. Those are the winners. Number 3, we are now talking about humans that are not ready to do anything with AI. No matter what your business is, it's just a matter of time that you will need AI, because there's no way you're including machine in your project, in your business, that it will not work faster. When we're growing up, what we're told in science is that a machine is a device that makes work easier or faster. That is what it is. So you cannot be fast without including a machine. Now, some people are data entry specialists, some people do transcript. Those jobs will be over, because normally I want to enter data now. I copy the data, I put it into a large language model like ChatGPT, and I'll tell it, put it on an Excel sheet, put name here, put the subject here, create double column for this, and in 2 minutes it comes out. It can't do it without my prompt. It doesn't even know what I want to use it for. That is what we are talking about. But some human beings are not going to be using it. They will be left out. That is the 3 categories of reasons why I'm telling you to join the AI train. Number 1, machines will not replace human beings. They can't work by themselves. Number 2, human beings plus machine is the boom. Number 3, human beings without machine will be slow. These are the things and the conditions that made me come to tell you about this urgent message. Will you start now, or will you wait and keep looking? Computers came and you were there, you were not doing anything about it. Internet came, you were there, you were not doing anything about it. AI is here, you still want to be here without doing anything about it. There's no generation that exists in this world that has seen the metamorphosis of technology like our generation. We need to jump into it. Teach your son, teach your daughter, teach your proteges, teach everyone around you, and it is easy to learn. Get a YouTube video like the ones I usually do and see the ones you need to use for exactly what you are doing. And I tell you, everything about your business and your life will change completely. I expect you to go and build something with AI. If this has affected you in a positive way and you have learned something, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you.